House Bill 1875. Imagine this. A veteran from rural West Texas passes away, and his family wants him buried in a state veterans cemetery. But the nearest one is hours away, and the waiting list is long. They're told there's no space, no plan, and no funding for a closer option. What the bill says it does? House Bill 1875 orders the Texas General Land Office and the Texas Veterans Commission to study why veterans struggle to get burial plots in state cemeteries and how to improve operations and access across the state. What it actually does. It doesn't fund or build anything yet. Instead, it gives these two agencies the job of mapping the gaps and proposing solutions. This means the state gathers data and sets priorities, while families still wait for real change until lawmakers act on the report. Now, who benefits? Veterans and their families who want fair local access to burial options, state agencies that gain the lead role in shaping future cemetery planning and budgets. Now, who pays the price? Families who need help now rather than later, communities without strong advocates, which could be left out of the recommendations. Why this matters. Every veteran deserves to be honored close to home, but whether that happens depends on how the study is used. If the results are buried in reports instead of turned into action, nothing changes. Texans deserve to see transparency, public input, and follow through. Questions you can ask your lawmakers. Will the final study be made public so veterans and families can see the findings? How will rural areas be represented in deciding where new cemeteries are needed? And will future legislation guarantee funding to act on the report's recommendations? Bottom line, House Bill 1875 is a good first step towards fixing veteran cemetery access, but it only matters if Texans demand that the study leads to real results, not just another report.